Well, hello everyone. So I got these beautiful glitters from Creative Clawz on Instagram, and this one is called Galactic Barbie, and it has beautiful pinks and stars, and it's just a beautiful, fantastic glitter. I'm really in love with this. I can't wait to do my nails. And this one is called American Honey, and this one will be perfectly perfect for 4th of July nails, so look out for those from me. Also, this one is called Star Bright, and she says this one glows in the dark. I'm not sure that it does, but I will have to try that out to see if that actually glows in the dark. This one is just beautiful. It's called Rainbow Butterflies, and as you can see, it's just a rainbow of butterflies. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to see this on a nail. Moving on to Wonderland, and this is so beautiful. It's like mostly gold shards with butterflies and stars and circles, and it's just fantastic. I love it. And then this one is called Unicorn Dandruff. I don't know if you can see how shimmery and gorgeous it is. All you're going to see is the fine glitters in the back. I just wanted to see if I can mix it up so you can see it. See how gorgeous that is. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. This one is called Star Spangle. And this is more like a holographic, gorgeous, fantastic blend. Oh my gosh. And then this last but not least one is called Celestial, and it's more like of a purple kind of blend with hearts, not hearts, stars and moons, and it's like a galaxy but not really. So these are all the colors that I got from Creative Clawz. I will leave a link for her Instagram in the description below, and I hope you go and follow her page, and please let her know, you know, Regina sent me over because she thought your glitters were fantastic and amazing, and she just wanted to share it with the rest of us, which I think they are amazing. This is my favorite one so far. I can't wait to use it. This is my favorite, the Galactic Barbie. This is my favorite. And the butterflies, of course. Of course. Yes, these are my two favorites. And this one is coming in, you know, whopping 3rd place. But then this is, you know, in... Oh my god, I just love them all. I just love them all. Okay.